gives one hope for the future of entrepreneurship to see these young entrepreneurs getting up and taking risks.
It's not just an idea, but it's actually something you can do.
It doesn't just have to be the college, grad school, get a job, stay in that job. There's a whole lot more options.
I may not even open this business, but it still taught me the skills I'd need to do that later on.
The mentors were amazing. They did genuinely help us.
I think it laid a really good foundation for doing more programs that help support entrepreneurs.
Anyone can do it, and it doesn't have to be anything super crazy expensive.
Entrepreneurship in our world right now, that's definitely a big thing.
Businesses need to know more about this because they're going to identify prospects that they're going to want in their business.
The Youth Entrepreneurship Program is a really unique idea. This year was the first year we ever did it. It's a brand new program.
It's good to know how a business works, to know how to be of value.
All of this work culminates in a pitch competition. So you could think something like Shark Tank, but a lot more fun than that. Students are challenged to think like an entrepreneur, to learn about what innovation is, to learn what it is to be a small business owner.
We've got Maren Wallace from Toledo High School.
One contestant would go up, they'd have 5 minutes to do their pitch, express their ideas.
I'm somebody who's always loved magic and fantasy.
Right now, the global 3D printing market size is in the 20 billions.
I love doing anything basically competitive.
My target market will be any local hunters, anything to do with taxidermy.
So a lot of pet groomers don't take bigger animals because...
After the students pitched, the 5 judges retired to the judges' chamber, or after the judges deliberated, we returned back into the auditorium with huge checks. The grand prize won $3,000. We had a runner-up that won $2,000. Then we had a third place that won $1,000. The fourth and fifth place both won $500, and there was a community favorite which also won $500.
Excellent.
We're all equally impressed with the interest level and quality that the students brought to this program and the commitment that they made being part of the Youth Entrepreneurship Program.
Even if you don't end up making a pitch, it's just the knowledge of it's fantastic. It's great fun as well.
You get life skills and you can build connections with other people.
There were people in the program that didn't even come and do a pitch. They just came in there to learn.
Come up with a good idea. It's just fun opportunity.
There's no worst case scenario because no matter what, you're going to learn about business.
We want them to engage with the community, to build confidence in themselves and in what they can create. And we hope that this program helped them do that.